Hello everyone, welcome out here, and today I wanted to talk to you all about why everything is as it should be, or why saying that can be useful and for your acceptance, your enlightenment, all that kind of fun stuff. So today that's basically our topic, why everything is as it should be. Now, when we look out at the world, we see things we don't like. Say, like a dictator kills a bunch of people, or this bad thing happens, or we don't like this politician, or we don't like this new, celebrity thing, or whatever, we don't like this video. People are always looking at the world and seeing things that they can judge about it. Like, oh, the world did this wrong, the world did that wrong, oh. And so for a second, I want to question the idea of what right do we have to judge the other people, to judge the world. It's not from just like a philosophical or psychological perspective of like we can judge, but is it good for us, basically? And we all know that phrase, of course, going back to the Bible, of judge not or ye shall be judged, but we don't always know why that is. See, it's because the subconscious mind judges us the same way we judge other people. So if we judge other people and we judge the world as, this problem or that problem, and we just look at the world as having all these things, oh, this shouldn't have happened, this shouldn't have happened, this shouldn't have happened, we're going to be telling ourselves that kind of stuff like we do all the time. So we're always saying to ourselves, oh, I should have done this test differently, I should have written this better, I should have done this, should have done that, why didn't I accomplish more today, I only did 19 things and I wanted to do 25. People do all these kind of things all the time. And they're like, 15 years ago, why did this one person say this to me? And then it's like 15 years ago, why did I do this one thing wrong? The basic idea here is that when we judge other people, when we see problems in the world, we are now projecting all the problems of the world. We're now like putting that into our own head and making ourselves feel bad about our past, our future, all these kind of things. So we're creating doubt and indecision and this fear, this perfectionism. We're just dumping all this on ourselves whenever we're judging other people. So a good fix to that is when we look out at the world, we can say, okay, I don't really like this, but this is the way it should be. So accept the multiverse, accept, that all these realities have all these different things. Or don't accept that, whatever. Just accept that the past is the past. So, like, this is how we all ended up here. This is exactly how it all panned out. There's no other way it could have panned out in this universe. So, if you go back in time and you were to just observe all these different things that happened, you'll notice that everything would just go in order because we wouldn't be in this exact situation if everything did not go in order. So, everything that has happened and is happening right now, basically just accept that that is how it is. And you can go a step further to say that this is how it should be. Now, that doesn't mean you like it. That doesn't mean you think that, if a dictator kills a bunch of people, you probably don't like that, who would, right? That kind of thing is evil and it's wrong and all that kind of stuff. So you can still believe it, but you can also accept that that's the way it is. As soon as you tell reality, oh, it should have happened this other way, you're setting yourself up to feel bad about all this kind of stuff that you do wrong, that you feel like you do wrong, because you're judging yourself. You're setting your subconscious mind up to judge you over and over and over again. If you get rid of that by saying, you know what, everything is as it should be, in terms of, well, it is as it should be because that's how it is. It's just an acceptance exercise. It's not saying that reality's perfect or, it's the best it could be. Because when you accept that all is as it should be, so saying like it is how it is, then that allows you to actually accept that how you want to change it is also how it should be. So like, if I really don't like this thing, then we have the ability to change it, elect better leaders, do whatever, create videos, talk to other people. We can really make a change in the world, do things with various companies, with various people, governments, all these kind of things. We can change so many different things when we're willing to accept the world as it is. If we never accept the world as it is, we end up being cynical and pessimistic and always judging ourselves for all our past problems. So accept that all is as it should be, and you'll live a much happier life. If you have any questions about this, it's kind of a tricky concept because of all is as it should be. Sounds a little bit like, oh, everything's perfect, but we realize it's not, or that perfectionism is just stupid, as I've explained in other videos. But accept that all is as it should be because that's how it is. Once you accept that, you're allowing yourself to really make a better future. Thanks everybody for watching. I will see you guys next time with the next video, and stay tuned. Thanks.